In this video, I'm going to show you how to add apps to Samsung Smart TV. So if you have a Samsung Smart TV and you have a favorite app you want to add to the list of your application on your Samsung Smart TV, maybe a streaming app or news application or your social media application, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install your favorite apps on your Samsung Smart TV. However, this application must be available on Samsung Store, otherwise you will not be able to install the application on your TV. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to install app on your Samsung Smart TV is to connect to the internet. You can either connect to a Wi-Fi or a hotspot or use a wired network, depending on your choice. So in this case, I'm going to connect to my hotspot. Now, go to the settings at the bottom left, scroll down and select General, select Network under General, then open Network Settings under Network Status, and then your Samsung TV will search for the available network type, either wired or wireless. So in this case, let's go with wireless. So once you selected wireless, this will give your Samsung Smart TV the avenue to search for available wireless network, either your hotspot or your Wi-Fi or MAFAL. So in this case, I have my hotspot available. Then select the hotspot and click on the enter button on your Samsung TV remote. So once you hit the enter button, your TV will try to connect to the wireless network or hotspot. And if you're doing this for the first time, you'll be prompted to type in your password or passcode. Just go ahead and key in the passcode. Once you key in the passcode, then you should see your TV connected successfully to the internet. And then the next thing is you can just hit the OK button and go back to the home screen. So while on the home screen now, to add application or to add apps to your Samsung TV, all you need to do is scroll down to apps and press the enter button on your remote. So while on the Samsung TV apps page, you must have logged into your account. Otherwise, you want to go to the top right and then click on the profile icon and log into your account. And once you've logged in, click on the search button at the top right, just beside your profile icon, and search for your favorite application using the on-screen keyboard. So in this case, let's say I want to search for any application that starts with A or X or P. So you can see I just key in Q and then I have all this application comes up on my Samsung Smart TV. Now you can just press the home button on the remote control to select the application you want to add to your Samsung TV. So you can add maybe the Quest TV, the Smart IPTV, or even the Quran Must Have app. So let's say you want to add the IPTV application to your Samsung TV. All you need to do is select this, and after selecting it, just need to press the OK button to install the application. This might take a couple of seconds depending on the size of the application, and once the application is downloaded and installed successfully, you should see a pop-up at the top right that says the application is installed. Do you want to open it or you want to close the application? So if you click on the open button, the app will open, and if you click on the close button, this will close down the application. Now you have two options here. You can either add this application to your home screen or open it. When you add the application to your home screen, the application will be added to your Samsung Smart TV home screen when you press the menu button, and if you hit the open button, this will open the application recently downloaded or installed on your device. So let's go ahead now and open this application. So select the app and press the enter button. You can see the application IPTV player is loading on our Samsung Smart TV. So you can use this method to download and install various applications on your Samsung Smart TV. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button, and of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.